My friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today we're going to take a closer look at Ethereum Classic. There was an idea in our live stream, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, that we should put it in the community portfolio. That's why I thought I'd make a video about it today, also because some people might not have even noticed it. I personally didn't have it on my radar either, but it could be a good addition to an altcoin portfolio, especially if you're not really focused on the huge percentages, but also not necessarily on the huge dips. Of course, the past does not guarantee the future, and everyone needs to be aware of that, especially in the crypto sector. Still, I thought, let's make a video about this to see if it might be an alternative for you. Before we start, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And of course, feel free to rejoin the free Telegram chat and Signal group if you're interested in updates, news, and signals. Come on in. You can find the link for that for free down in the video description. And if you're still looking for an exchange where you can trade all of this, you can definitely do that at my partner exchange. If you want to do Binks, please register using the link below in the video description. This way you are also supporting the channel, and you can earn a lot of money again. Grab those bonuses. Yes, Ethereum Classic 1726 trading. Right now, it's an interesting chart, actually. I have to say, all these older projects, including Litecoin, which I made a video about yesterday, they all have their place, I must say. They always have their highs and lows, and they can be tracked relatively well, especially in my strategy. After 100% investment, you can pull out, and things like that can be done quite well, especially since we keep seeing increases of 200 or 150% or something like that. So it can definitely be used well. I have to honestly say, we're currently in a range, let's say that was from the stream. We can zoom in a bit more, so between $17 and $12.50, where potential entry points might be worth considering. Of course, we need to dig a little deeper here. If we say, okay, we still have a wig here, then we might be able to pull this zone down to around $15 or $16. And then, as I said, if we look back in the past down to $12.50, yes, $12.50, then the inefficiency over here would also be closed. It's a volatile price. Not everyone is aware of it. Still, in the past, it has often led to nice price increases here that could be possible. You can also use the community portfolio, or rather, let it be used in such a way that you can theoretically sell the entire project here, because in the past, there have always been these increases. The last, or the one before last increase was here in October 23. It went up by 172%. Then back into the box, down here into the buying zone box. Another increase. It went up again by 152%, but those are the kinds of projects I would say, like Litecoin and Ethereum Classic, where I would say, okay, we sell these projects completely after 100, 110% or so, and I wouldn't hold them any longer. Because in the past, and I would definitely refer back to the past here, the pumps were always pretty quick, and then it would drop right back down. That means take the percentages, take the profits, sell the project, and then possibly back to a new increase with it. Yeah, let's say you go in with $100, you sell everything up here for $200. Then we go back in at the bottom with $100 and wait and wait and wait and keep doing the same thing over and over again. And that's why I would take such projects, not for mega long moon predictions, because you won't find those here on my channel. I'm being completely honest with you. I don't think we're heading towards $120 here. You can forget that right away. For me, the 0.236 level, the $50 is really the maximum. And we haven't seen that in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 increases. That's why it's pump and pump coin for me. Keep taking profits over and over, and that's it. Of course, just because we're back in this buying zone doesn't mean we can't fall even lower. The next price range would be between 4 and 5 US dollars. Those would really be the bear market prices, which we've already seen with Polkadot again achieved. So it's definitely a huge risk to get into altcoins right now. I would really only go in with play money and not say, wow, yeah, I'm going all in on Ethereum Classic here. Forget it, just stay away from it. I wouldn't recommend it, but feel free to share your opinion in the comments. What do you think about it? Or what do you hold of it? I think it even has a better performance than Ethereum normally, so you really have to think about it. Otherwise, well, that's it from my side. Next altcoin updates then, as I mentioned earlier in the video this morning, won't be until Thursday again. I just won't have the time tomorrow. And otherwise, that's it from my side. Wishing you a nice day. Take care. Leave a like, subscribe, and join the Telegram group. And we'll talk until then. Ciao, ciao. And as always, stay crypto.